Welcome to Mount Buller. About to do Copperhead. Hey Bob. That's enough now to the back.
I'm going to have to turn my bait on. I'll just do that. A bit more natural. Certainly tricky. Geo. Definitely got some. Yeah. No, not doing it. Nice, boys. Lean right back, Steve. Oh, this is the downhill. Shit. Oh. Awesome, everything. Okay. It's fairly cautioning. Oh. Whoa. You okay? You alright? Stop, stop, stop.
What happened?
Just went over the hangers here. You alright, Steve?
No.
Where? Chest, arm, shoulder, at the back here?
Yeah.
Might be just ribs. Side. It's probably ribs. Do you want me to try and call like an ambulance or something? Ambulance, please. We're on the Mount Buller Road at Mount Buller.
Listen to the chest. Yep. Worst pain you can imagine, 0 no pain.
Oh, 9.5.
Allergic to anything?
No.
Nice bump there.
I think we'll get the chopper. Brett has got chest injuries, probably a dislocated shoulder, clavicle. He's quieter on the left side, so possibly pneumothorax. So, have you had morphine before?
Do you want me to lift it?
Can we get your bum back up to bed a little bit, or is it fucking kidding?
Go up.
watch. You don't.
See.
Jump in with us. We'll
Okay.
go up.
Take all this
I'll go then.
first. But yeah.
No problem.
Okay, thanks mate. Do you want to take this bike?
Yeah, I'll take the bike.
Yeah, he wouldn't have to buzz. It's all here, mate. Broken a few ribs. They might be up against his lung. He might have a few scratches on his lung. That's why he can't breathe.
Have you done anything like that?
I haven't done ribs. I have done ribs in the front, yeah.
You want this one, lads?